In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eSignatures in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to turn this on and how to format a clean, professional signature that appears automatically on your outgoing messages. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to Settings. You'll find it in the left-hand menu with the gear icon. This is where all of your account and location preferences live, including staff settings. Next, open My Staff. This area controls the individual user profiles for your team. Choose the staff member whose signature you want to configure, then click the pen icon to edit that profile. Editing at the user level ensures the signature reflects the person sending the message, which helps with clarity and trust. Inside the profile, go to the User Info tab. This is where general details and communication preferences are managed. Scroll until you see the Signature section. Here, toggle on Enable Signature on all outgoing messages. Turning this on tells GoHighLevel to automatically append the signature to your users' communications so they don't have to paste it manually each time. If you already use templates that include a signature, keep an eye out for duplicates. In most cases, letting this setting handle it is simpler and more consistent. Now create the signature content. You can manually type the text or add an image. Keep it concise and readable. Include essentials like name, role, business name, and a short sign-off line. If you add an image, use a small web-friendly file to avoid slow-loading emails. A transparent PNG often looks clean and professional. Make sure any colors align with your brand, and aim for strong contrast so it's easy to read on mobile devices. If you use links, write them clearly and keep them minimal to maintain a tidy layout. Avoid long legal disclaimers unless they're required. If you need one, keep it brief and unobtrusive. When you're satisfied with the look and wording, click Next. This will move you forward and apply your changes. From here, simply follow the remaining prompts until you're back out of the editor. Your updated signature will now be attached to the user's outgoing messages based on the toggle you enabled. That's it! You've enabled eSignatures for a staff user and customized the content so it's on-brand, clear, and consistent. Repeat this setup for any other users who need their own signature, and you'll maintain a professional finish across all your communications in GoHighLevel.